Hello, and welcome to the Leisurely Learning Texthelp PDF Reader series. In this series, we will go over in depth how to use the various parts of the Texthelp PDF Reader to best support your students. In this video, we will be reviewing how to install the Texthelp PDF Reader. This is the trickiest part of the PDF Reader. Why? Because it allows the user to interact with PDFs in a variety of platforms. This means there are several steps involved to have it work seamlessly. If you don't follow the steps, that's okay. It just means you will need to complete these steps later individually. Let's get started. So here we are in a Google Drive, and we can see by looking at the extensions up at the top that the Texthelp PDF Reader has not been installed. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the Chrome Web Store. We can do so either by going through our Apps button, or we can open a new tab and type in Chrome Web Store and go from there. If you are following along, pause the video now. The next thing we are going to do is type in Texthelp. That's all one word. When we do that, we are going to see that the Texthelp PDF Reader is going to show up in the drop-down list. Select it. We are then going to go to the Add to Chrome button. When you press it, you will see a pop-up appear that says Add Extension. Press that. It will take a few moments for the extension to install. If you are following along, pause the video now. Once the extension has been installed, you will see a notification in the top right-hand side. We are going to start by pressing on the Texthelp PDF Reader icon. In doing so, it will bring us to the PDF Reader dashboard. If you are following along, pause the video now. Next, we're going to go to the first button that says Open from Google Drive. If you have never installed this before, it will ask you to choose an account. Please be sure to choose your GAPS account, as this is a paid-for extension by the York Region District School Board. After choosing your account, press Allow, and you will see a Select a File pop-up appear. If you are following along, pause the video now. Next, we're going to select a PDF from our drive. If you have one in your list, fantastic. If not, you can simply go up to the search bar and type in PDF. Select the PDF that you would like to open and press the Select button. A pop-up will appear. Again, select your GAPS account and select Allow. Oh, that's interesting. Let's try that one more time. There we go. Once we have ensured that it is open, we are going to close this tab. If you are following along, pause the video now. Next, we're going to go to Install. If it has not been installed before, you will see an Add to Chrome button. When you press it, you will see an Add App button appear in a pop-up. Select that. What that will do is it will take you back to the Apps page that looks like this. In the Apps page, press on the Texthelp PDF Reader app. A PDF will open up automatically. If you see a pop-up that asks you to select an account, select your account, and if prompted, press the blue Allow button. If you are following along, pause the video now. We are going to go back to the PDF Reader dashboard. We are going to go to Options, and we are going to ensure that we have enabled classroom integration. Once we have done that, we can close this pop-up. If you are following along, pause the video now. We will close these tabs and we will go back and open up Google Drive. Correction, we will go to Google Classroom. Choose a classroom that you know has a PDF in it. And find the assignment with the PDF. Click on the PDF. When prompted, select your GAPS account. And you may need to scroll down for this. Select Allow. You will now see a black Hand In button appear on the Texthelp PDF bar. We have now installed the Texthelp PDF Reader in all 3 formats. If you are following along, pause the video now. Do you have questions? Use the link below to access the Texthelp Reader video question form. Be sure to leave an email so that we can respond to your question. Thank you for watching this video.